I took a business course a couple years ago, and one of the theories that really left a big imprint on me was the question, is my next step the fastest path to cash? And I bring that up not because it's always just about, well, is this next thing going to make me money? But what it really started me thinking was, what is my next step going to do for my business? So in today's video, I want to talk to you about what is the next best decision to move your business forward. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you'll know when the next video goes live. So I always think it's best in these decisions to first start with, where do you want to end up? Where do you want this journey to take you? So whether that's about, is this what's going to take me to my next revenue? Or is this going to take me to my next partnership? Or is this going to take me to maybe a greater opportunity? So if you're working on a new product, are you looking to make online sales with it? Or are you looking to simply build awareness about the services that you created? But sometimes that short-term goal of making money right now can really distract you from the long-term goal of actually building your business and achieving brand, product, or business longevity. So look at what you're doing in your business right now and ask yourself, what is my goal for these steps that I am taking today? Out of all the hours of my day that I am filling up, what is each step or each action or each task that I am doing in my business? How is it moving my business forward? And don't even get me started on the bright and shiny object syndrome. I admit it, I have fallen for it myself more times than I care to reveal. Shiny object here, shiny object there. Sometimes taking action just to take action will just be wasting your time rather than moving you forward. And when in doubt, start writing it out. That's always my motto. Whenever something gets confusing or seems overwhelming or seems like I just don't know where to turn or what next step to make, I start writing down lists, outlines, and I like to write guides for myself to get myself out of whatever confusing circle I've just dug myself into. You can run your business your way, but there are certain tried and true methods that just work when it comes to making your business a success. Yes, it helps if you love what you do, but it also helps if you start understanding why you do it, who you do it for, and what is the greater purpose of the work that you're putting in. Making good business decisions really comes down to understanding what is your overall goal for your business, not only in the short term, which could be a day-to-day process, but in the long term. Where do you see your business in 5 years from now or 10 years from now? We've heard those questions before, but when you really start to consider it, you'll get a better idea for the steps that you need to take right now. And if you find yourself stuck or maybe spinning out of control, the best step is to take a step back, look at what you're doing, and think about how it's impacted where you are right now. I know a lot of this is easier said than done, but if you think about what you want to do, what you want to achieve, and how you want to live your days, because let's face it, we all spend a lot of time working on our business. So let's make that the best time of our lives. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this valuable. Let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you'll know when the next video goes live. If you have any comments about this video or suggestions on how to make better business decisions, leave them in the comments.